Welcome back to Login Joins. So in this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to make a TikTok account. Make sure that you have installed the correct version of TikTok, and once we have done that, we will open it. You will see this sign up option, tap it. Here you will see sign up for TikTok using your phone or email address, Facebook, Google or Twitter. I'm gonna use my phone or email address. It's easier that way. Here I'm going to use my phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, a code will be sent to that phone number and you have to enter the code in here. Do a verification by solving this puzzle. And here enter the code. And here add your date of birth. Make sure you are 18 or above. Now enter your password. Tap next. And now add your nickname. Tap confirm. And now you have created yourself a TikTok profile just right there. So that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow for more.